Differences between small g and capital G is one of the most important topic for 11th gravitation. So let's start. What is the difference between small g and capital G? You know that small g is the acceleration due to gravity and capital G is the universal gravitational constant. So our first difference is capital G. Capital G is numerically equal to the force acting between two particles of unit masses, each placed at a unit distance apart. It means when two objects of unit masses 1 kg 1 kg is placed at 1 meter apart from each other, then the force acting between two unit masses which are placed 1 meter apart is called gravitational universal gravitational constant, that is capital G. So capital G is the force acting between two masses of masses 1 kg which are placed at 1 meter, whereas small g is the acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to gravity. First point, in small g, it is the acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to gravity. Second point, in capital G, its value is same at all places and is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Its value is equal in the whole universe and is equal to the 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Capital G remains same at all places, whereas second point, in small g, its value changes from place to place. Approximately small g on the earth is 9.81 meter per second square. 9.81, for simple calculation we can take 10 meter per second. Small g we can take 10 meter per second. Third point, in capital G, it is a scalar quantity. Small g is vector quantity. It means vector quantity means it has both direction as well as magnitude, and scalar quantity means only magnitude, does not have direction. Last point, fourth point, its SI unit is Newton meter square per kg square, and small g, its SI unit is meter per second square. So small g is the gravitational constant, small g is the acceleration due to gravity, whereas capital G is the universal gravitational constant. Small g remains unchanged, it may be changed from place to place, whereas capital G does not change, it remains constant. Its value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. This is the difference between small g and capital G, one of the most important topic for 11th physics.